it's me, Eklashi, and today we're gonna make some cookie, and like this cookie, and this is the inside, maybe. And then some butter, we already put it on the oven, and some egg. So let's get started. I don't like this. Mix some crack it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! I did not do it. Now I'm gonna pour some egg on our cookie. And next we will gonna mix it just like this. And yeah, this is what we made from cookie dough, and instead we're gonna use the microwave and put it here and put it on the microwave. This is what it came out, and came out from the microwave, and it's time to taste it. And it's delicious. And don't forget and subscribe, and bye. And so this is for 61 what we gonna made from the cookie dough, and we're gonna that came out from the oven.